Alright guys, so today we're doing some parts on my buddy Daniel's 535i M Sport N55. We're going to be doing downpipe, charge pipe, intake. So far we've already got charge pipe aluminum has been installed. And right now John, he's under the car. Say hey John.
What's up?
He's doing the downpipe. It's being a little pain in the butt to get in, but we're going to get that eventually. And after we finish that, then we can throw on the intake right here. Yeah, intake should be super easy. You excited for it?
Dude, I'm ecstatic.
I'm curious to see how much power it puts down.
That's just quick, but like it just sounds nice. You know?
Yeah, it will, for sure.
It sounds so different.
The startups and the shifts and everything will sound better. So we got everything installed. John is finishing up this brace right here. New intake is all on. Charge pipe is on and downpipe's also on. So now we're just bolting it all tight. And then we're gonna get some exhaust clips and
Definitely sounds good. Yeah, I can hear that.
yeah, got a deeper tone.
Dude, heck yeah. Bro.
So now we're gonna go on the ride in the car, test it out, and see the difference. That picks up.
Yo. Dude, you can hear the engine. Yeah. Bro, what a freaking difference, man.
So we just tested out the new upgrades that we put on it, and it made definitely a difference. And we haven't even tuned it yet. So once we tune it, it should have even more torque, more horsepower. The turbos should spool faster, and it'll also burble too with the new MHD tune. But overall, for just the intake, downpipe, and charge pipe, definitely a noticeable difference and good combo for the mods. I would say if you've got a 535, these are some must-do mods. Really made a difference. Now we're gonna go on a ride in John's 335, which is also an N55, but he's full bolt-ons and JB4. So we're gonna see the difference.
For whatever reason. Yeah, dude. That fucking power, man. Wow. Oh, shit. Holy shit. Hell yes, man. Dude, that is fast.
Yeah, it is fast.
That's 100 and a 45. 100? That quick?
Yeah. It's kind of actually slower right now because of the heat.
Yeah, that's what I was telling
two people in here.
There's a cop right there.
Fuck.
He was texting, that cop wasn't paying attention. John and I have to do a race. Leave a comment if you guys want us to do like a couple pulls.
It's because of the coilovers M3 front control arms, sway bars, sway bar end links.
Yeah, I love the sound on it, man. The spool is ridiculous.
This thing is a lot of fun.
Yeah. It's a fun car to drive. It's a kind of a bitch to drive and get used to because it's a stage 2 plus clutch with a lightweight flywheel.
That's all for today. Just did some car stuff, messed around with the boys, and had some fun.
Do a few revs.
Gonna finish it out with some revs.
So I do them like all the way.
Full send.
Full send?
Man, bro. Yo.